What's up, everyone? It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Applied Materials. This is ticker AMAT. Now, as we all know, semiconductors have been extremely strong in this tape, hitting another new all-time high today. And AMAT is a semiconductor stock that, unlike a lot of them, isn't super extended above the 8-day exponential period moving average. And so it's one that I believe could be actionable with a pretty clear line in the sand close to the moving averages. And when you're in a market that is seemingly going vertical, it's really hard to find stocks that are consolidating or pulling back to their 8-day, 21-day, and 50-day moving average. But AMAT is one of those stocks. It pulled back to the 8-day yesterday, went under, buyers showed up, brought it back up, closed it strong. Today, the stock closed above the 8-day exponential again and is giving us a bit of a short-term flag here. So I have a downward sloping trend line, clear resistance. You can see how the stock's not getting above this magic line. And so I want to see if AMAT can break above that line for a potential entry with a stop down around 378. And so I would look for a move through and a close above 393.60, put a stop down around 378. And if that can trigger, I think we got a nice little trade here on a stock that's already in a good sector and in a strong uptrend. So that's just one of many things we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want more setups like this, I definitely think you should check out what we're up to. Click that link, StockMarketMentor.com. You can get a discounted trial and see what's on Dan Fitzpatrick's active trade list right now. My name is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.